So you want to highlight your mouse pointer and make it more vivid and more visible into your desktop for whatever reason. Let's say you're a professor at a university or you have a financial presentation. So in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to do it. So without any further ado, let's get this job done.
Okay guys, so first of all, you want to get into this website called Hotkey, and this website is actually the prerequisite of this whole mouse highlighter to be functioning on, and this is basically the environment that all these codes are functioning in. So you want to download it. This has to be 3 megabytes. You want to download it and then install the app. Super easy. After you install it, then you want to click the link in my description. It is a Google Drive link, so it's super safe. And then you will face this page. So you want to right click on cursor highlighter and just click on download, or just double click on it and press download. So after you downloaded this highlighter, like this has to be the folder, and you want to double click on it. If you double click on it and it was not functioning, you want to right click on it, press properties, and just select Hotkey as the default app to open this sort of files. Okay, after that, just double click on it again and boom, super easy. It is already functioning. But to change the color, you can also change the color. That's the exciting part. So to change the color, down in here you want to click the little arrow and right click on cursor highlighter, then settings. So in the second tab, highlight settings, you want to press the color and then change it to whatever color you want. Red, green, yellow, whatever you want. So this was for today's tutorial. Straightforward. Please like this video if this helped you. Take care of yourself and peace out.